Hi, my name is Rebecca and I'm a sophomore chemistry major. Today I'm going to show you how to use the lab quiz 2. Let's head over to the lab. Fill a cuvette with a blank solution and place it in the cuvette holder. Make sure the ribbed side of the cuvette is facing you. Using the touch pen on the lab quiz 2, go to Sensors, Calibrate, and USB Spectrometer. Follow directions in the dialog box, but do not skip the warm-up. Click on Finish Calibration, and when the calibration is complete, select OK. After calibration is completed, replace the blank cuvette with a solution of your highest concentration. This will help you determine maximum wavelength. Click the green arrow at the bottom left of the screen and wait for a colorful graph to appear. Allow the spectrum to graph and then click the red square stop button. The graph should already be auto-scaled. Record the maximum wavelength to the bottom right corner of the screen. You can use your stylus to touch the points on the graph around the peak and use the arrows to observe your absorbance for each wavelength. You also have the option of exploring the maximum wavelength and absorbance through the tab with a table. Go to the Meter Sensor tab and change the mode from Full Spectrum to Events with Entry. Enter the title Concentration next to Name, and enter your units of concentration next to units, in this case capital M. Go to Meter tab and check if your wavelength maximum is selected. You can change it there. Just tap the screen and click on Change Wavelength. Take your higher concentration cuvette out. Under Graph, Analyze Mode, place blank cuvette in cuvette holder. This will be your first standard sample at concentration 0. Click the green arrow to collect. After absorbance reading is stable, at the bottom left of the screen, click Keep, not the red button, the wheel icon. In the dialog box that appears, enter appropriate concentration and click OK. This means you must calculate the concentrations ahead of time. Make sure to not click Stop between the samples. Repeat with all the standard solutions in ascending order by switching cuvette and clicking Keep Only. After all standards have been run, click Stop. Now that a graph has appeared, to get a linear fit, select Analyze. Curve Fit. Check the box of wavelength max that pops up, select Choose Fit, then select Linear, and then OK. Record your straight line equation along with your correlation. Select Meter Sensors tab. Place Unknown in cuvette holder and wait for absorbance reading to stabilize. Record the absorbance in your notebook. To determine the concentration of your unknown sample, you can use Interpolate. Under Graph mode, select Analyze, Interpolate. Then move the stylus over the line of your standard curve and look for the absorbance of your unknown. Record the corresponding concentrations in your notebook. You can also plug the absorbance value in for the y in the equation from the linear fit and solve for the concentration.